Hola chicos, esta sección es para español 1A, unidad 1.2. Aquí vamos a estar con los objetivos. Here are the objectives to this lesson. Recognize and use cognates. Use keywords and phrases for technology. Learn to pronounce some Spanish words. Learn to use the verb ser and count to 20. Bienvenida, greeting. Buenos días, good morning. Buenos días. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Y buenas noches, good night. Hola, buenas tardes. Hi, good afternoon. Hola, profe Requena. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo está usted? Hi, Mrs. Requena. Good afternoon. How are you? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? I am good. Thank you. And you? Estoy bien, gracias. I am good. Thank you. Or I am so-so, estoy más o menos. Or I am bad, estoy mal. Ahora el vocabulario que te va a ser útil en esta sección. Vocabulary that is going to be useful in this section are the following. Ser, to be. Él, he. Ella, she. Yo, I. Tú, you, informal. Nosotros, we or us, o nosotras, also we or us. Ellos o ellas, they or them. Usted, you, formal. I, there is, there are. And to look more into detail, here is a video that you guys could click to learn the actions associated with the words. The actions are meant for you guys to remember them in an easier and more helpful way than just reading them and pronouncing them. Ser. For the purpose of this video, I didn't play the video, but you guys are more than welcome to stop the video and play it, or go back to the presentation and play it. Conjugaciones de verbos, verb conjugations. Mira aquí. Mira aquí. Él, he, ella, she, usted, you, formal. Todos los verbos, all verbs, todos los verbos que están conjugados él, ella, usted, terminan en a o e. All verbs that are conjugated in the he is doing the action, or she's doing the action, or you, formal, is doing the action, and with an a or an e. I'll show you examples on the following slide. From this base, this is a base. If you want to conjugate the verb to I, yo, I am doing the action, I'll get rid of the A and the E at the end, and I'll replace it with an O. From the base, if you're wanting to conjugate it to tú, you are doing the action. From the base, you don't delete anything, you just add the S after the A or the E. Ellos, ellas, o ustedes. They, them, or you guys. From the base, you just add the N. Nosotros o nosotras. We or us. From the base, you add MOS, mos. Ahora vamos a ver el verbo ser. The verb to be, ser. To be or not to be, hence the action. When do we use ser? ¿Cuándo usamos ser? Fecha, ocupación, características, el tiempo, origen o una relación. Let's talk about yo. Soy. I am. Nice. Yo soy simpática. Tú eres. You are. Tú eres simpático. Él es simpático. Nice. Ella es simpática. Usted es simpático o simpática. Depende. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Ellos son simpáticos. Ellas son simpáticas. Ustedes son simpáticos. Nosotros o nosotras somos simpáticos o somos simpáticas. So this is when you use the verb ser on a date, when you're talking about the date, talking about occupation, characteristic, time, origin, or relationship. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, ellos son, nosotros somos. I am, you are, he is, they are, we are. Okay. Él, ella, usted. This is the base. Once again, not going so much into detail. But he, she, or you formal doing the action. All verbs are going to end with an E or an A. A, escribe, habla, come. Yo escribo, hablo, como. Ellos, ellas, ustedes escriben, hablan, comen. To do the action, we're not going to get so much into this here, but just know that there are 3 different endings to all verbs, ir, aer, er, and we will learn more about this later. Tú, you are doing the action, escribes, hablas, comes. Nosotros o nosotras, we or us doing the action, escribimos, hablamos, comemos. Aquí hay una canción, there's a song, se llama, the name is, o, as, a, amos, an, and it will help you learn more about the endings and the conjugations to the verbs depending on the pronoun that you are trying to conjugate it with. And once again, for purposes of this video, we're not going to play the whole song. Okay, we're not going to play the whole song, but it is a pretty catchy rhythm. Ahora, femenino y masculino. Femenino, feminine, ¿sí? Masculino, masculine. Por ejemplo, profesora, profesor. Aquí. Novia, novio. Estudiante, estudiante. Amiga, amigo. Ahora, A es femenino, A es femenino. E es neutral, A es femenino. R es masculino, E es neutral, O es masculino, O es masculino. E neutral. Los números. Repite 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ahorita nos vamos a enfocar del 0 al 20. El reloj. Tic-toc, tic-toc. El reloj. La puerta. Ding-dong. Ding-dong. La papelera. Kobe. El sacapuntas. Zzz. El escritorio. ¡Cállate! La bandera. El cartel. La ventana. La computadora. La silla. Ahora son las partes de la computadora. La pantalla, the screen. No! It broke. El teclado. La mesa. Shh. La impresora. Zzz, zzz, zzz. El ratón, the mouse. Click, 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 click. Focus activity number 1. Write down the correct word next to each letter. I did the first one for you. You're going to open up the document on Kami, and you are going to write down the correct word next to each letter here. Focus activity 2. Actividad de enfoque número 2. Translate the verb to be with their corresponding pronoun. I am, you informal R. He is, she is, you formal R. We masculine R. We feminine R. They feminine R. That information, you can find it here. See? Ok, chicos, es todo. That is it. Adiós. Chao. Hasta luego.